Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make from 1000 naira to 5000 naira using just your mobile phone. Now in my previous video I showed you how you can make 5000 naira daily using the Nairaland platform. But in this video I'm going to show you another alternative to that method. Now follow me to my screen where I'll show you the step-by-step process on how you can do this using just your mobile phone.
So guys, right here on my screen, and the first thing we need to do is to get the platform that we need to buy this data for cheap. But before that, I would like to show you people who are doing this business on the internet and are making money out of it. So if I go to Google and I search for this phrase cheap data, I'm going to get different results of people who are making money from this business. If you look over here, you can see someone who is selling data online and is making money from this. As you can see, this person is ranking and he's selling his data for MTN at 500 naira, and for Glo he's selling at 700, and for Airtel he's selling at 950 naira for 1.5 gig. Now if you go over here to mtn.ng, which is MTN website, you are going to see how much MTN is selling their data. And as you can see here, MTN is selling their 1 gig, which is 1.2 gig, for 1000 naira over here. And if you go to Airtel, you can see the same thing, that Airtel is selling their data at 1 gig, 1.5 gig for 1000 naira over here. So I'm going to show you where you can buy data for as cheap as 240 naira. As you can see here, MTN is sold for 237 naira and Airtel is sold for 237 naira. Glo is also at 248 naira. Then you can get your 9 mobile at 182 naira. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you this platform that you can buy this data and you can sell it for as high as 400 naira. So if you buy for 237 naira or 240 naira, you sell it for 400 naira, which you get to keep 160 naira profit. Without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the video. So to get this platform that you will need to buy this cheap data, the first thing you need to do is to go to the description of this video or go to the comment section and you get the link to the application and the website that you can buy this video. Or you can also go to the about page where you will see the website and the app link which you can use to buy data. So if you're an Android user, you can download the app on the Play Store, and if you're an iPhone user or a desktop user or you prefer using the web, you can use the website. So right now we're going to use the website to buy this data. So we're right here on the website, and if you look over here, here is the application link, here is the login, and here is the register. So if you have an account, if you click on the link that says login, you can insert your email and insert your password. But if you don't have an account, you just need to click on the register now. Once you click on the register now button, you'll be taken to this page over here where you will have to insert your name, which is your first name and your last name. Then you input your correct email, your mobile phone number over here, your referral code. If someone referred you, you can insert it over here, but as you can see, it's optional. That means it's not compulsory to put it. Then you have to answer this question over here and insert the correct answer into this box, and then you will need to create your password. Do you understand? You need to create your password for this account that will enable you to log in anytime you want. Then if you have provided all this information, you click on the create account button over here. Then your account will be created. I already have my account, but I'm going to create another account for tutorial purposes. So I'm going to input my information over here and then I'll click on create account. So as you can see, I have filled up this box over here with my information and the answer, and then I'm going to click on create account. And as you can see, my account has been successfully registered on the platform. So I'm going to insert my email over here. And then I will input my password which I just created on the register page. And then I'll click on login. So once you log in, you will see a notification that will pop up automatically. So just go through the notification and read everything. Then once you understand it, you click on the exit button over here, and then you can see there is a set your transaction pin over here. Then I'm going to create my transaction pin and confirm my transaction pin, and then I will click on set pin over here. So I have inserted the transaction pin of my choice, and make sure that it is 4 digits that you input. Then I'm going to click on the set pin over here. So guys, as you can see, I've just logged in into my account, and the next step we need to take is to fund our wallet. And to fund our wallet, you just need to click on this fund wallet button over here. So once you click on the fund wallet button, you can see that you are provided with an automatic funding account over here, Wema Bank, then your account number with your name. So the next thing you need to do is to go to your local bank account and then deposit your funds in this wallet. So I'm going to deposit 1,000 naira into this wallet, and then we're going to continue on how to buy data on this platform. So I just funded my account with 1,000 naira, and then I'm going to refresh this page over here so that my funds will reflect on my wallet. So I just refreshed the page, and as you can see, I was credited with 950. I was credited with 950 naira because there's a 50 naira charge on every deposit that you make. So the question is, how do we buy data on this platform? Now, to buy data, what you need to do is to click on the buy data button over here. So once you click on the buy data button, a page will open where you'll be asked to select the network you want to buy. So you click on the choose service button over here, and then you see this network that are provided for you. Now if I want to buy MTN data, I'll click on the MTN SME or MTN corporate, and then I'll select the amount of gig I want, and as you can see, 1 gig over here is 239 naira. Now if I click on this, I will input the number I want to buy. But let's check other data plans. Like if you look at Airtel over here and you check the price, you can see Airtel is 233 naira. If you check your Glow data, you can see that Glow is 249 naira. And then if you check for your 9 mobile data, you can see that 9 mobile is 182 naira. So I'm going to buy MTN over here, and then I'm going to select 1 gig, and I'm going to input my phone number that I want to buy this data for. I've inputted my phone number, and then I will input my PIN, and then I'm going to click on the buy now button over here. And I'll get a message that will ask me, are you sure you want to purchase this data for this phone number? And I'll click on OK. So it say my transaction was successful. I'll click on OK over here, and I have just received my data, guys. I just received my data. So now we know how to create our account on the Recharger platform. We know how to buy data and other services. As you can see, there are different services that are provided over here. Now the question is, how do we sell this data? Who do we sell this data to? And how do we find our customers online? Now, to find your customers online, I would recommend you use Facebook, and I'm going to show you how you can use this platform to find people that will need these services and how you can sell to them. So as you can see, I just logged in into my Facebook account, and I'm going to show you how you can use this platform to generate traffic to your data reselling business. So as you know, for every business, there is always a specific kind of customers that are ready to patronize you. Now we need to find those type of people here on Facebook. Now if you look at the question, what kind of people will want to buy data from you? So if we ask ourselves what kind of people want to buy data from us, I'll be looking at people who basically work online, people who are basically active, always using data on their phone. And those kind of people are probably the make money online people. Now, make money online is a broad niche and is a broad customer base. So we're going to niche it down. Let's say something like affiliate marketers. So on this video, we're going to use affiliate marketers for an example. Now I'm going to go to my search tab over here on Facebook, and I'm going to search for affiliate marketing. And as you can see, we're going to put Nigeria over here because we're looking for Nigerians. Nigeria, affiliate marketing Nigeria, and I'm going to search. So as you can see, there are groups of people over here who are Nigerians and are into making money online with affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to filter my search by actually focusing on groups over here. I'm going to click on groups, and then I'm going to put public groups only, and then I'm not going to insert city. I'll just leave it at public groups, and you can see there are all these groups over here that are public. Now you can use all these groups. I'm going to join a few of them, and let's use this group as an example. I'm going to click on the group. I'm going to open up the group. So for now, we're going to use this group as an example. Now, to create a post, like I always said in my previous video, you need content. You don't want to be spamming people anyhow. You want people to actually know you and trust you. So we are going to use a content. We're going to talk something about affiliate marketing, and then we're going to give them opinion on buying data from us. I'm going to use my graphics that I always use, and then I'm going to write something like stay online with cheap data. And see, I've written my posts, I've gotten my graphics over here, and then you can come up with something better, come up with different contents that you can promote. You want to be posting on this place like regularly so people will know more about you. So you can come up with different things, different content creation for these people to patronize you on your data reselling business. Now I'm going to post this. So as you can see, my post just got live. My post just got live. You can add, create your own custom design, add your WhatsApp. If you have a WhatsApp link, you can put your WhatsApp link over here. I'm going to be showing you my next video how you can create a WhatsApp link. I'm going to be in depth on how you can create graphic designs just like this. So if you got value in this video, just leave a like, comment on the comment section if you have any questions, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get notified anytime we drop a video just like this. And I hope to see you on my next video.